Good morning and welcome back. This was an early morning trip out to New York. 5:30 in the morning. Headed through security. On our way. Five by 10. Yep.
Everything comes in this bay door here, and we process it all as raw stock. We got a couple of bandsaws.
So here you will see in this video they are cutting parts, building parts, all for the TW6 Alpha series splitters, among a few other things.
You lay everything out, all
the cutting, the machining
whatever we gotta make for the
of each and every part that's done in-house for Timberwolf.
You don't want to stand near this, too near this thing when it's on.
We have a machine shop.
Oh, okay.
This is way more brutal.
Yeah. We don't do any assembly here. It's all just raw stock. You palletize it based on what machine it is. Custom orders and alpha. You get all the alpha parts together on one pallets and ship them out as a set. So that
Sure.
welders and assemblers have all their parts in the spot.
So here is their lathe. Unfortunately, they were not running any cylinders today, but this is the same lathe they use for manufacturing all the cylinder rods, all the cylinder barrels, from everything from the TW1 to the TW10, which is that 12-foot long stroke. They store it all in this room. There you can see the cylinder rods.
You can load one door while the part runs. That helps cut down on lost time. Sprockets, which you make in-house. These are one of my favorite parts. This is actually a two-piece bearing. It's a bushing really, but they bolt together. A greaser goes in there and they get a slot for grease machined in. You can see the grease slot there.
Yep.
So that when you just go on a 12-foot shaft. So instead of having to like pull your whole shaft out of your live deck, if you got to replace any of the parts, the sprocket, whatever, you can just open up your bushings, lift the part right out. I turned like a half day or a day job into like a 20-minute job. Here. Sort of like a 4-way wedge. Something you put on like a TW5, a real small splitter.
Yep.
These are all hard steel. So like, you know, these little baby ones aren't much, but yeah, we try and keep everything we can in a vise. We try and use the same tools.
So now we are headed over to their other facility with trailer load parts in hand, and here you see they're starting the process of the layout and setup of the Alpha Series splitter. Here, after all the pieces have been tacked together, they now do the final welds on a Alpha 6 full frame splitter. They build everything from the I-beam to the every bracket, every piece. They build everything in-house. Repositioning each frame so that they make sure all the welds are true, all the welds are full, and they rotate them a few times, get the forks in just the right spot, and get ready to pick. They might be picking this one up actually to go right out the door with it. There's the final product of the frame that is now powder coated painted, and ready for final assembly. Thanks for watching.